Now I might have your attention again, ladies and gentlemen. So our next speaker, I'm very pleased to welcome back to GMIT, Urszula Jedrol. Urszula is a graduate of GMIT Architectural Technology Honours degree programme. She achieved first-class honours in that. She's currently working as Building Information Modelling Manager at Stewart Construction. She has also joined the Construction Industry Federation Construction 4.0 Committee, which is looking at the digitalisation of the construction industry and how that can be implemented and harnessed towards a sustainable and efficient future for the industry. Urszula will now present a case study of some of her recent work in building information modelling.
So case study in BIM at Dublin Airport Central, phase 1 by Stewart Construction. Here are some samples of the models and renders produced in-house. I'm not sure where you have the laser. This one was produced by the fourth year GMIT Architecture Technology student, Kamil Mikołajczyk, which is working with us. So I will skip the introduction and go to... So I would like to introduce the company, over 110 years in business, fourth generation family owned and run, client-focused company, multi-award winning with innovative approach. And the services we provide is design, build and finance, project management, BIM-enabled contractor, fit-out, value engineering, sustainable construction. For more details, you can go to the company website. And we are also looking for the BIM coordinator at the moment, if anyone is interested. So Dublin Airport Central, phase 1. I selected this project because of its location. Site is located next to the Terminal 2, which is on this side, and that's your multi-story car park. So project value is 45 million design and build project. Demolition of existing annex buildings and 2 new office blocks and associated works at Dublin Airport. It is a BIM Level 2 project as outlined in the contract documents. And Stewart Construction collaborated with external design team to produce tender submission. At the tender stage, this project actually is at the construction stage at the moment. So at the tender stage, we produced the BIM execution plan and BIM Level 2 supporting documents in-house. CDE was put in place to host federated model, and file naming convention had to be followed on all of the documents, not only models. Detailed plan to maximize benefits of BIM for FM. COBie exports, Synchro Pro utilized to display construction timeline simulation, and high quality visualizations created to support tender submission. So today I will focus on 3 points, which is CDE, file naming convention, and then timeline simulations. So we had to put steps in place for BIM to deliver BIM Level 2 project, which was selecting CDE, as we noticed in the process that our current CDE wasn't able to capture suitability codes, so we had to look elsewhere. We found viewpoint for projects to be BIM Level 2 compliant. What we didn't know at the time was that you don't get the ready-to-use product. You do have to build the platform for yourself and build the workflows and set them correctly. So I'm one of the admins on CDE. So I was heavily involved in building the CDE, assigning workflows. So right now, if we upload the models to the CDE, those would be automatically assigned to the correct workflow. So if you see like 4 different sections of CDE, you have work in progress, shared, published, and archived. So basing on your, let's say you want to upload suitable for information model, which will be automatically assigned to a shared workflow. And in those workflows, you have all the checks which Patrick King was mentioning before in his presentation as well. And those are requirements on the BIM Level 2 projects. So the way like 4 sections of CDE would be controlled by filters rather than creating the physical containers or folders. Next one, file naming convention. For those who are just starting their BIM journey, file naming convention is a good place to start. What we had to do was to introduce the file naming to all of the departments, not only BIM. And you can see on the right side here of the screen, this is an A3 poster, which we have printed at each workstation, so everyone can use the codes correctly. Yeah. Then next one, you can see here different models produced by different disciplines. So you're looking at the structural model, architectural, mechanical, and landscape. And those are shared, linked together by shared coordinate system in one CM combined model, which is also showing site setup, which is hoarding line, crane position, and the compound setup to the back. Okay. For the timeline simulations, as a main contractor, we would build the timeline simulations at the tender stage. And the program we use for that is called Synchro Pro. It's a user-friendly layout. And you can see, you can import the model, and it's displayed here in the 3D window. And also Asta Power Project program, which is displayed in the Gantt chart. So what you have to do here is assign each element from the model back to the program and give appearance. Is it going to be construct, demolished, or temporary works? And then when all elements are assigned, you can create the animation, which is at the bottom. You're capturing the different camera positions at given time. And when you're happy with your animation, you can export that to video editing software, where visualizations, logos, and music would be added. And after that, we would also compress those files because they can come up very large. So here are the visualizations produced at the tender stage, external and internal visualizations. And the last one, I would like to play you a video, if that works. No. How do you play on this? Will that work? And the music. Thank you.